Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use the rear entertainment system in your Cadillac Escalade. First, locate the main power button, usually found near the screen or on the remote control. Once powered on, you can navigate through various media sources like DVD, USB, or auxiliary input. We'll also cover adjusting the volume and controlling playback, ensuring a smooth experience for your passengers. Let's get started. To begin, simply press the power button, typically a circular icon, located on the remote control or directly on the screen's bezel. Once the system illuminates, you'll want to select your desired media source. Look for the Source or Input button, which allows you to cycle through options such as the built-in DVD player, a USB drive, or an HDMI connection. Make sure your chosen media is ready to play. Controlling your media is straightforward. The remote control features a directional pad for easy menu navigation, allowing you to select movies or music tracks. You'll find standard playback buttons like play, pause, fast forward, and rewind to manage your content. For audio, use the volume up and down buttons on the remote. Remember, the system often supports 2 sets of wireless headphones, providing a personalized audio experience for each passenger. Expanding your entertainment options is simple by connecting external devices. Look for the auxiliary input ports, which are commonly found near the rear entertainment screen or within the center console. You can connect devices such as portable gaming consoles, a streaming stick, or even a smartphone using an HDMI or RCA cable. Once connected, select the correct input source on the system to display your device's content, offering endless possibilities for your journeys.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.